person's fingerprint is as unique as their DNA, with no two identical patterns. This uniqueness forms the basis of fingerprint recognition technology used in modern devices. In this video, JetSoftPro explains how this fascinating technology works and assesses its safety. How does a smartphone read my fingerprint? When you place your finger on the sensor, it takes a picture using optical, capacitive, ultrasonic, or thermal technology. This picture is analyzed to find unique features and create a digital template saved on your device. When you unlock your device, a new picture is taken and compared to the stored template. If they match, the phone unlocks. How do different types of fingerprint readers work? The optical fingerprint reader works like a high-tech camera for your finger. When you place your finger on the scanner, it takes a detailed picture of your fingerprint using a special light setup, usually LEDs. The scanner analyzes the light and dark patterns in the image to identify the unique details of your fingerprint. The capacitive fingerprint reader uses a grid of tiny electrical sensors. When you put your finger on the scanner, the ridges and furrows of your fingerprint affect the electric charge at each sensor. The scanner detects these changes and creates a digital map of your fingerprint based on this information. The ultrasonic fingerprint reader consists of two parts, an ultrasonic transmitter and a receiver. When you place your finger on the scanner, the transmitter sends out ultrasonic pulses. These pulses bounce off the ridges and furrows of your fingerprint and return to the receiver, which measures the returning signals to create a detailed 3D image of your fingerprint. Is it possible to fool fingerprint readers? Yes, fingerprint sensors can be fooled. Methods like using gelatin molds, sticky tape, or even photocopied fingerprint images can sometimes trick these sensors. The effectiveness of these tricks depends on the technology and security measures of the specific fingerprint reader. What if someone unlocks my phone with my finger while I'm sleeping? Before you go to bed, try unlocking your smartphone with the wrong finger 5 times. This will activate the phone's security feature, temporarily disabling the fingerprint reader and requiring a password to access the device. Can a cat's paw unlock my phone? Generally, no, but you know cats. Fingerprint scanners are designed to recognize the unique patterns in human fingerprints, which differ from a cat's paw. The technology also requires human skin characteristics to accurately detect a fingerprint. However, some iPhone Touch ID users have reported being able to unlock their phones using their cat's paws, so you could give it a try. Is fingerprint recognition safe? Fingerprint recognition provides a good level of security, but can be vulnerable to spoofing or false acceptance. For enhanced security, it is often combined with other methods, such as facial recognition, iris scanning, passwords, PINs, behavioral biometrics, or two-factor authentication. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will help you make the most of technology.